welcome back to my day 2 of my 30-day AI challenge. Yesterday, we used AI to turn 3 emojis into monster. Remember? The cat king fire monster? That was honestly insane. So, today, it's even better. We're turning emojis into a superhero using a completely free AI tool called Microsoft Designer. Let's see if we can create the next Spider-Man, Iron Man, or even a brand new hero. For today's superhero, I'm picking these emojis: lightning, lion, and shield. So imagine a superhero who is powerful like lightning, brave like a lion, and strong like a shield. This is gonna look epic. Alright, I'm inside Microsoft Designer. Now, it's 100% free. You just need a Microsoft account. Designer is amazing at creating clean, sharp superhero artwork. Now, let's write your prompt. So I'm gonna use a descriptive writing. Yeah, so, guys, I'm so sorry, just writing the prompt. Yeah, so guys, this is the prompt on create. Guys, so there are like 4 pictures. Tell me which one looks the best in the comments. So, let's go. Come on, let's go to... Oh my god! What? That looks so cool! My personal favorite is the first one. I love this one so much. Nah, this is going into the wallpaper collection right now. That's good. Look at this, bro. It actually made it look like a real Marvel hero. You see the lion symbol on the shield? That's so cool. The shield is literally, bro, like electricity all behind him. Now let's upgrade him. Now I'm going to let's upgrade the prompt, bro. Yeah. Oh no, guys, I'm sorry. Oh no, I sent it again. Okay, let's see what it generates again. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks okay, I guess. You know what? Let's do a new prompt. Make the superhero. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Bro, that looks like Vision. That's so cool. Wow. Nice. Damn, this looks good. Bro, it looks like he's ready to defeat Thanos. Like, now let's make a funny version. Imagine the superhero, but cute. Okay, so let me write the prompt. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, Because I love doing the Aura Frank celebrations. Fun. Oh my god. Look at this little guy, bro. Like, imagine a baby superhero with lion powers. Now I'm gonna ask, so what would you name this superhero? Put in the comments below. And I would give him lightning speed, electric shield, lion roar attack, super strength. This is literally a game ready hero. So that was day 2. And honestly, I think our superhero came out much better than I expected. Like, bro, look at in this picture. I like the third one a lot. Cause look, like the little shield blocking him. That looks so cool. So tomorrow is day 3, where we create a Pokemon like Pikachu and Charizard using another free AI tool. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And don't miss day 3 of the 30-day AI challenge. See you tomorrow. And remember, stay super. Bye. Peace.